Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin gets rejected from the falling trendline resistance. Today's episode, we're going to talk about why this is actually excellent support and why we may be in for a very fun couple years. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin getting rejected from the falling resistance, finding some support, and some interesting couple years in the making. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us on Twitter at Crypto Love. Push that like button. Now today, fear and greed at 50, same as we were yesterday. The overall market though tumbles 2.5%. Bitcoin at 27,625, Ethereum at 1659, BNB at 215, XRP 50 cents, Solana $24, Cardano 26 cents, Dogecoin 6 cents, and Tron 8 cents. And Bitcoin today, after breaking through the 50-day moving average and breaking out of this wedge that we've been in for quite a while, getting rejected from the 100 and 200-day moving average. Right now sitting on the $40,000 by halving trend line, this dashed orange line right here. Now, why is this happening? We're supposed to be going to the moon. Historically, October and November are some of the best months for Bitcoin. Well, October's already off to a good start, and November might be an excellent finish for that. But in the interim, we did get rejected by this falling trendline resistance. This is from the all-time high from 2021, has acted as strong resistance in the past with the price trading below it for the last 910 days. A weekly close above this would be bullish, but can we get back above those levels, roughly 27.5? That's a good question. Now, Bitcoin is looking very, very similar to 2020. You can see from the cycle peak to the support forms a little wedge. Bitcoin bounces back and forth in between there until eventually it breaks out and has an absolutely massive parabolic move. Right now, no different from 2020. We are bouncing back and forth in that wedge, only a matter of time until a breakout occurs. Also, if we take a look at the chart this way, Bitcoin very, very similar to the 2020 structure. We see the bottom down here and then breaking above this resistance band that turned into support. Well, we're right at that area where historically Bitcoin was on the cusp of a massive breakout. We can only hope that this might happen again. As a matter of fact, wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin just retests this trend line and then goes higher. So it looks very similar to the last two times we saw a dip below the trend line. And right now we have a bullish divergence right here with the price going down, RSI going up, suggesting that Bitcoin is stronger than many people would think. Now, falling to these lows, getting rejected, turns out we did find some very good support temporarily on the Gaussian channel. The prices reacted to the middle channel line twice, once before the color change and once after the color change. Now, historically, the green band lands roughly between 122 and 148 bars, meaning the current estimate based on that would be roughly 2026. Bitcoin right now lining up with the bit time model. You can see, I know it's kind of small here, so you may just want to head over to CryptoCon's Twitter and then just check it out for yourself. But you can see each year is either a green year, blue year, red year, orange year. Now, based on that, we have these tops and these bottoms lining up Bitcoin right now where it is with this historic time. We have this yellow top, then we have the bottom, we have the purple intermediate, and then blue top, red top, and then green bottom, yellow intermediate. Well, next we would be headed towards November for a blue top, potentially getting ready for a new all-time high in 2025, the following year. So we may see some fireworks this October and November. Where? Well, in the short term, Bitcoin has always hit the 61.8 fib by the time of the halving. You can see here it was at $700, here was $11,000, and right now it's at $48,000. So that's a little bit higher than the Bitcoin fair value price at the time of halving, which was roughly $40,000. But that is a nice territory for Bitcoin to hit. As a matter of fact, it is echoed in this bullish cipher pattern. We have these bat wings right here. Price projections on this target, 36,000 as the first target, 48,000, again, echoing exactly this target right here on the 61.8 fib. And also the third target, $69,000. Goodness, 69,000, my favorite thousand. Which brings us to this chart right here. Very interesting. Bitcoin is right below the last resistance at the yellow line. You can see that right here. If it confirms a breakout in October, we may project the same period of time to reach the next top as we saw here back in 2015, 2016. This was 19 bars or 579 days at that time. Well, the same thing would put us next top 2025, June of 2025, roughly in the 200s of thousands of dollars. So fingers crossed. I know everybody is looking forward to that. Anybody who's been waiting around for the past couple of years for things to turn around, things are looking exceptionally tasty at the moment. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push the like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.